Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. My name's Nikki. So I'm actually really excited for today's video because I'm going to be recreating album covers. So I'm basically half ready for the first one that I'm going to be making. I'm going to put like a picture of the album cover that I'm trying to recreate and then my version. I've seen this trend actually on TikTok and I was like, why don't I try and make this into a YouTube video because I can actually do quite a few. Anyway, so yeah, so I thought it would just be really fun and yeah. Anyway, so the first album cover that I'm making is Sierra's album cover. So I'll put a picture of what her album looks like. It's the Goodies album. So basically I've tried to recreate like similar eye makeup, and then basically for my top, because obviously I don't have that necklace, I used this kind of moon necklace because it's the closest thing I could find, and then I went with my Juicy Couture jumper, folded it to like make it like sort of cropped. Anyway, and for my hair I'm gonna like put my hood up and everything, but I tried to do this like side parting. I literally never do side partings because I feel like I look hideous with them. But yeah, obviously I need to put a picture. So I'm going to take a picture and then I will come back and show you guys the comparison. To be honest, this picture was actually one of the hardest to take because I just couldn't get that pose that she had. Tried to like Photoshop the background, but I couldn't really get it exactly as she did it because she did some smudging behind. I just couldn't really get that. I switched up a necklace because I actually found a cross necklace in my jewelry box. The hair is a letdown because I couldn't get my hair to be the same color obviously, but apart from that I didn't think it was a bad picture. I thought it came out pretty good. Okay guys, so the next album cover that I'm recreating is of course Summer Walker's Over It album. So I wrapped a scarf around my head and I tried to do like pink eyeshadow, but mine didn't come out as pink as that, but I'm going to try and edit it the same. I added like my necklaces and stuff, and then I didn't have like a white bikini like that. I had something similar. See, I do have the tattoos and I have like these big gold hoops. For this photo I'm quite excited because I do actually have a pink phone like that. I'm going to try my best to recreate this. Okay, the Summer Walker one is my favorite one because it came out pretty good, and like the facial expression, like everything about it I just loved. Although I didn't get like the exact same like bra and everything, makeup was the same, jewelry, like the accessories and like all the small details I feel like I kind of captured, especially even in the background, which I was really happy about. So that was probably my favorite one. Okay, so the next album cover that I'm going to be recreating is Miss Banks' album cover. It's her Coldest Winter Ever Part 2 album. I have done my eyeshadow in a similar kind of style. Like I tried to get that like gold flick and that kind of smoky look. I didn't have brown lip liner, so I used brown eyeshadow to just like line my lips. For the center of my lips I used a Kylie Cosmetics gloss in the shade Like, just for like the center, and then I kind of like blended it in. It looks a little bit crazy, but I'm gonna tone it down. I just have like earrings and I used the necklace, and then I have a black bikini on. I don't have that zebra fur coat that she has going on, but I'm gonna try and get like a different kind of animal print, straighten my hair because hers is like really slick. I'm gonna try and find a tiara because I'm sure I must have had one when I was like younger. So yeah. I actually really like this picture. I think everything was pretty much on point, like although my hair is a little bit messy and like the bra and everything, it's not exactly the same. It actually didn't come out as bad as I thought it was going to be. And this last one, the Ariana Grande one, obviously my hair is not the same color, but I tried to Photoshop it but it just didn't work, so I left it black. I didn't think this picture was too bad. It was really hard not to capture my flyaways in the picture because they kept coming in and ruining the whole kind of like clean, neat tidiness of the picture. I'm not too mad about how this came out. Anyways, I really enjoyed filming this video and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.